Good morning. We are here in Germany, Munich. I was actually here yesterday to meet my girlfriend's parents for the first time, so that was quite intimidating, but it went super well. Today's very exciting because we're heading to one of my favorite hotels in the world, CHALET Al FOSS. This place is incredible. I stayed there last year and I loved it so much that I had to bring my girlfriend this time for her to experience it. So yeah, let's head off to Italy.
I'm ready.
Let's go. We just picked up this right here. This is a vignette. You're gonna need this when you're crossing countries. For example, we're crossing from Germany to Austria to Italy. So you need this one to go to Austria. And if you don't, you have to pay a really heavy fine. So I kind of once forgot one and I actually ended up paying 170 euros when this costs just like $10. So yeah, learned my lesson. You just gotta stick that on your window and you're good to go. We're here in Austria right now, just for a few hours. Even though it might seem like all I do is go for adventures and have fun, which is kind of true, a lot of the times I'm at a cafe on a laptop, editing, responding to emails, and all that stuff. So right now we're taking a midday driving break to crush out some admin work, and then on our way to Italy. I am now Eli. Wow, we made it. It's our first time here. Hey, let's go. Cheers. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it to CHALET Al FOSS. This is just incredible. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and everything, freshen up because we drove for nearly 6 hours today. And then we're gonna go explore. So this is the penthouse room?
Yes, this is the best room that we have.
Oh my gosh. What? I love minimal bathrooms like this. This is definitely very romantic. Literally a honeymoon paradise. This is just stunning. Coming upstairs, we have our own private jacuzzi and a view of the mountains. I'm all cleaned up now, shaved, put on a nice shirt, and now we are ready for dinner. So the owners of the hotel and myself have planned something amazing for my girlfriend. It's a surprise. And one of the things I love about the hotel, or resort actually, is that the owners are incredible and they're willing to make your experience just the best ever. So we have a lot of things planned for her, and that's actually something I really love about this resort as well, is that it's not just a place to sleep and stay, it's a place to experience. So I'll show you guys what that looks like in the next couple minutes, I guess, during this vlog. But yeah, let's head off to dinner. This is what they've set up for us. Oh my gosh, this is so romantic. Again, huge shout out to the owners of the hotel. Just amazing. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Do you know what's happening?
No, I have no idea.
It's unreal.
It's unreal.
Surprise number one, success. Okay, talk about props. They have this incredible dress. It looks so beautiful, honey. We have here risotto. It's vegetarian. Let's dig in. Are you happy?
I'm happy. Romantical.
Romantical is not a word, honey. I don't think.
No.
Good morning. That was one of the most incredible, comfortable beds I've ever slept in. And now it's time for breakfast. Wow. CHALET Al FOSS is one of the very few resorts to offer alpaca experiences. So for this morning, they have set up an incredible breakfast for us with the alpacas. And I'll show you what it's like. The staff here are just amazing.
Hi,
oh my
Vanessa.
gosh.
Good morning.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
What? Honey, I don't want to freak you out, but...
Hi.
Oh my word. Are you eating our request? Hey, wait a minute. No. That's a no bueno. If you want to surprise your significant other, then this is probably the best way. I don't think that there's anything that can top this. After a bit of working and napping, we are now on our way to go biking. Last time I biked was actually here in Italy, last time in September when I was working with the tourism board of South Tyrol. And now we're back to go biking again. This is one of the experiences available from the resort. I think they partnered with a local tour company, so let's go check it out. This is our tour guide, Luca. Hi. Hello, we're ready to go. Also, I'm vlogging on the phone because I forgot my camera, so yay, good job, Elliot. Safety first. We made it. It was a lot easier than I thought, mostly because these are e-bikes, so that made it really fun, easy, relaxing. And now we're gonna drink fresh water from the river. Woo! Baby, you wanna try it? For those that don't know, I haven't been in a relationship in over 6 years, so I've always done all my travels basically with friends or by myself. So the fact that I got to do this with my significant other is incredible. 100% recommend going on just a bike date in Italy. It's a vibe. We're back at the resort now. Sunset is in about an hour and we are going to shoot here. Hello, what's your name?
Vanessa.
Vanessa, I think you're really attractive.
Oh.
Oh my word. What? Cheers to an incredible 3 days, I guess.
Cheers.
3 nights, 4 days. Tomorrow, breakfast time.
Hi.
Coffee.
Coffee.
Essentials. This is very attractive. Can I post this?
Yeah.
Morning, guys.
Good morning. Stop, this isn't real. Baby, oh my gosh. This is
unreal.
over and beyond my expectations. I've had a few floating breakfasts in my life, and this is probably the best one I've ever had in my entire life. I think it's just the location, the presentation, the pool itself. Top notch. Question is it worth staying at Chalet Al Foss? And in my genuine opinion, yes, it is 100% worth it. It is relatively expensive, but you get what you pay for. You get incredible experiences, great hospitality, the food, the people, everything was just amazing. And Vanessa was smiling ear to ear, so that for me is 100% worth it. So I'll put a link in the description box down below so that you can check it out, check out the prices and whatnot. And I think rooms start at $250, something like that. And I actually paid to stay there last year. So it wasn't just a collaboration that makes me, love this hotel. It was just the whole experience, even when I paid for it myself. If you want to have one of the experiences such as having breakfast with Alpacas or the floating breakfast, then make sure to book that in advance because yeah, they sell super quick. I think there's a wait list right now until October or something like that. So yeah, it's been very high demand. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this and I'll see you next week in the Dolomites.